Good morning, everyone. It's me, Lee, with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I used these dies. There's quite a bit of it, and it looks a little confusing, but it's actually very easy. So I use this from AnnaGriffin.com, the Clever Sliding Card Dies, and she gives you ideas. She gives you the sliding inserts, the cards that would go, or you would cut it out with your own images. So I made some cards and I wanted to show you. I'm doing my Christmas series of cards, and so let's see. And I also used some more dies, and I'll show you in a second. So here is the card, and she gave me this image, and then when you pull it, it has another image, and it says "With Love at Christmas." And see how it had the vintage ornaments, so that's why I matched with it. I've got glue stuck right there, then I'm going to have to... Okay, if you ever get glue stuck, take it and heat it up with your heat gun, and it will come off. I'm going to... Oop, it popped off. So anyway, there's one. And also, when you pull these out, be very slow and gentle. And here is her... This is AnnaGriffin.com. This is her paper, her dies, all her embellishments. I use several of the other dies I'll show you in just a second. But then you can pull. I gotta push that down over here. There we go. That's how it looks. And there's glue right there. I got it. And before I send them out, this image, or this die, I know came from the Create from November, because I pulled it out and used it early. Before I send out any cards, I get my heat gun and I just do this, and it makes all the glue flyaways go away. So if you're getting nervous for me, don't worry. I do clean my cards up if there's any flyaways or anything. And like this right here is coming off. I made this like a month ago, and I need to add, it's sticky, but I need to add liquid glue to this. So yeah, this is crafting, and you just learn and you keep going. And the thing is it's paper, so it's okay. It's just paper. It's not the end of the world. So isn't that just so pretty? I mean, the cards are just so wonderful. So I used this die as a frame right here of Anna's. I used this die as the frame right here. And I used this die, one of our Christmas dies, you can still see the paper in it, as a frame too. And then this one came from the Create from just this November. So there you go, guys. There is the Christmas sliding scene cards. This is where she gave us the cards and said these two match, these match, and she shows us how to do it. So that helped tell me what matches, and then I ended up getting her ephemeras and matched them all up too. So there you go, guys. I hope you like my project. It was fun making them. See you tomorrow.